The Lamoille County man charged with killing his wife in 1993 will remain behind bars for at least the next week. A judge ruled today 70-year-old Carol Peters is going to continue being held without bail and is due back in court next week for an evidence hearing. ABC 22's Matt Holderman has more.
Well, after 31 years of walking the streets of Freeman, 70-year-old Carol Peters will now spend at least the next week, if not longer, behind bars, as he is now being charged with first-degree murder in the shooting death of his wife, Cheryl Peters, back in 1993.
Waive the reading, other Rule 5 rights, and enter a not guilty plea.
Peters appeared in court via Zoom, and public defender Kirk Williams pleaded not guilty on his behalf. He argued Peters has had a clean record for the past 3 decades and pointed out the age of the case. But Lamoille County State's Attorney Alina Gerhard fired back, saying the age of the case shouldn't matter beyond the fact that the family has been waiting that long for justice.
I can't speak for my predecessors, but for me, I had to get justice for this family. It's been too long, and they've been waiting, and they've been holding the torch for Cheryl Peters for 3 decades. He's been living in the community. He's been working. He has been doing what Cheryl Peters has not been able to do for the last 30 years.
Gerhard says there's no new evidence that brought this on now. Rather, it was the rare case of a grand jury of community members convening and agreeing that there was enough evidence to file an indictment. In the courtroom, Gerhard repeated parts of the case that led to the grand jury's decision, noting that Carol Peters was also charged with and admitted to sexually assaulting Cheryl.
This was an execution-style killing when the victim was sleeping. This was her estranged husband of 3 years who stalked her over the course of months when she tried to leave and then executed her 2 days before she planned to move away to Montpelier to get away from him.
But Williams responded, saying those charges were just misdemeanors and that the evidence Gerhard mentioned has not yet been brought to the court.
The state may have just alleged a number of facts. However, there's no affidavit or other evidence in front of the court.
Now, Peters will be back in court sometime next week for an evidence hearing. In the meantime, he has been ordered to not contact a select few of Cheryl's family members. We'll be sure to give you an update once we learn the date of that evidence hearing. But for now, reporting in Hyde Park, Matt Holderman, ABC 22 News.